Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's V-Man. Today we're going to be starting our reactions to Chainsaw Man. This is another anime that was recommended to me by one of my friends. I don't really know much about it. The only thing that I do know is that the team that worked on it, that animated it, was MAPPA. I know that they do some really good work. I just finished watching the Jujutsu Kaisen movie, the prequel movie, to get ready for season 1 of the series. I also know that they did some work on Attack on Titan. I've watched all that stuff. So, yeah, I'm really excited to see how they did on this show. I believe they did the entire series. So, the entire series should look pretty good, like almost flawless for the whole way through. So, I'm really excited to see how it goes. But, yeah, like I said, other than that, I really don't know anything about the show. So, we're just going to go ahead and jump on into it. He sold his right eye. And, what?
悪魔を一体殺せばだいたい30万。やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
So his dog is the chainsaw? Okay. Yeah. See, look, I already knew this was gonna look good. Like, yeah. Is he on a leash? That was a tomato? Dude, that's such a ripoff. Is that also who he owes all that money to as well? Or is that just who he's working for? It's gonna have to last you a month? I wonder how often he gets bounties or gets to go hunt stuff. If he has to live off that for a month. Oh, it's his father's debt. I was about to ask, I was like, how did he even rack up that much debt in the first place? I'm glad he actually didn't eat that. I was about to say, that's a bit much. Like, I know you need money, but that's kind of ridiculous. Going around and just eating whatever people offer you for money. You know, I feel like he could clean that place up just a little bit. Like, the stuff that's just junk there, you know? Could probably move something around, use those pallets to make a bed. Because actually, the place isn't all that bad. But, you know, just perspective, I guess. So because his dad died, you're just like, oh yeah, give me what he owes me or you're dead? That's so messed up. Oh, it's his dog. I'm assuming it's a dog. I don't know what else it could be. That was hurt, yeah. So, the blood just heals them, or do they, like, survive off of it? Well, I guess, because they were sharing a piece of bread earlier. So I guess they don't need blood to live, they just use it to heal. What's wrong with him? Oh, wow. So he has a heart disease? That sucks. You know, it's real sad, man. Like, all he really wants is just a piece of bread with some toast and a girlfriend. Considering his conditions, that's really not much to ask for, you know? Something's wrong. I think they're setting him up. He's being real, like, way too quiet. Not that he really had a choice, but sure. that a zombie? Oh, it stabbed both of them. Now they're zombies? I'm sure they didn't offer to become your slaves, but you probably tricked them into it. But honestly, these guys probably deserve it. Probably all messed up. Man, all this guy wanted was just some jam on bread and a girlfriend, and now he's being hunted down by zombies just because he had to pay off a debt that his dad had. It's crazy. Alright, so it's those kind of zombies, okay. Oh. Dude, that's like the worst way to go. I'm surprised he's still alive. That's crazy. Yeah, they put him in a dumpster. Oh yeah, they did cut him into pieces. Okay. They cut the dog up too. Cut him in half.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。
Okay, so that's where we're going with this. Wow, that little drop of blood was enough to get him to take over.
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりに、デンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。どうした?
That's why dogs are the best, man. Get yourself a dog. That's fine. Man's best friend, they'll always be there for you. Even if they're half chainsaw devil thing. I'm actually surprised they didn't eat him the first time. Took a long time for him to transform. I wonder what kind of devil that one is, because the first one was a tomato, and that one, Pochita was a chainsaw. But like, is that supposed to be like a brain or something? Are you throwing bodies at him? That's crazy. That's wild. Dude, this looks amazing, like for real. This show's gonna be epic, I can already tell. Like, animation is, look at, see? That's what I'm talking about, like that's, if they're typical zombies, they should all just collapse after the, or not, we'll see. Or they're not attacking him anymore. Yeah, so I'm gonna kill them all anyway. I'd save him for last, 100%. Just to be petty, I would definitely save him for last. She can like detect. I guess that's how they found him. She can like smell devils or something like that. Oh, it melts off? Okay. I was wondering if he was gonna be stuck like that forever. Oh, so it's literally just the zombie devil? Okay. What do you mean by that? I can keep you as a human? Like a pet? Like he's the pet now? That's it. That's all he needs. Dessert for breakfast. Okay. I mean, hey, no complaints here. All right, so that was episode 1 of Chainsaw Man. Overall, really good. I already knew that the animation going in was going to be amazing just because I knew that Mappa did it. And honestly, yeah, you could definitely tell just by the intro and then the fight sequence there at the end. Like, yeah, this series is gonna look amazing all the way through, and I can't wait to see what else they have in store for it. But as for the story, I thought the story was really well. Really interesting how I guess some of the rules that they have for like the devils, like if they drink human blood, it'll heal them, but then they can also take over human bodies. And then you had the agency there. I believe it was public safety. I had to rewind it to see what she said because I'd actually missed it. But public safety, it looks like there's an organization of devil hunters, or they're just some people that do it on their own, like how Dingy was doing it in the beginning for that mob or whoever he was working for to pay off his father's debt. Which that also really sucked too. Just having to pay off your father's debt, like, hey, we need this, we need 700,000 yen by tomorrow, or you're dead, you know. But yeah, like I said, I really enjoyed the show. I think it's going to be a good one all the way through. So can't wait for the next episode. So be on the lookout for that. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.